Hello students, welcome to the math class. Student, we have started the chapter Straight Lines and we have completed the first objective, that is the intercept and the perpendicular form of line. Today we are going to start with the second objective, that is the general equation of line and its reduction to the different form. Then we will complete the third objective, that is angle between the two lines. Now let's start with the second objective. As we have done that there are various forms of equations of line. Today we will study about its general equation. It means one equation from which we can identify that it is the equation of line. So it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b and constant term is denoted with c. So here a, b, c are real numbers. Now if the general equation is given, we can reduce it into the any form. So let's do first one, reduction to the slope intercept form. Now slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. We have to convert this general equation into this form. Let's do one example. Reduce 2x 3y minus 5 equal to 0 to the slope intercept form and find its slope and y-intercept. Now equation is 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. For slope intercept form, we must have y on one side and other terms on the next side. So keeping minus 3y on this side and shifting other terms to the other side, they will change their sign. So we get minus 2x plus 5. Now here for finding the value of y, we have to shift this minus 3 also. So divide both sides with minus 3. Here we will get y is equal to, here minus cancel with minus, so 2 by 3x and minus 5 upon 3. This is the required slope intercept form. Now on comparing with y is equal to mx plus c, we get m is equal to 2 by 3 and c is equal to minus 5 by 3. So slope is 2 by 3 and y-intercept, that is the value of c, is equal to minus 5 by 3. In this way we can convert general form into the slope intercept form. Now next is reduction to the intercept form. Just we have done in the previous class, that is intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So let's start with the example. Reduce 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 to the intercept form and find its x and y intercept. So here given equation is 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. So firstly we have to find 1 on the right hand side. So on shifting 6 we get minus 6. The equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now we have to make the coefficient of x and y here 1. So divide both sides by minus 6. We get 2x upon minus 6 minus 3y upon minus 6 equal to minus 6 upon minus 6. Here cutting is possible, so do the cutting. 2 3s are 6. Here 3 2s are 6 and here 6 1s are 6. Minus cancel with minus. So we are left with x upon minus 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form. From here, when you compare, you get x-intercept is equal to -3 and y-intercept is equal to 2. In this way, we can find the x and the y-intercepts. In this way, we can study how to reduce the general equation into the different forms. Now, next objective is angle between two lines. If these are the two lines L1 and L2, slope of L1 is M1 and slope of L2 is M2, and we have to find the angle between these two lines. Say it is equal to theta. So we are having a formula for finding this angle, that is tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Here mod function is there, so it may be have positive value and negative value both. Now notice there, this thing you have already done in the previous classes, that is for parallel lines theta is equal to 0. So from here we get when tan theta is equal to tan 0 is equal to 0, we were left with m1 is equal to m2. This is the condition for the parallel line. Similarly, for perpendicular lines, tan theta will become tan 90, that is not defined. On simplifying, we will get m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This is the condition for the perpendicular lines. Now, let's do one example for finding the angle between the two lines. Find angles between the lines √3x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus √3y is equal to 1. Now here two lines are given. They are given in the general form. So we can find the slope directly from this form. So formula is slope is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So in the first case, coefficient of x is √3 and coefficient of y is 1. So slope is minus √3 upon 1. So it is equal to minus √3. Similarly from the second, coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is √3. So slope is minus 1 upon √3. In this way we can find the slopes first. Now let theta be the angle between the two lines. Then apply the formula. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Put the value of m1 and m2. We get minus √3 minus, here m2 is again negative. So in the bracket minus 1 upon √3 upon 1 plus minus under 3 multiply minus 1 upon √3. Here √3 cancel with √3. So in the denominator we are left with 1 plus 1. And here minus and minus changes to the plus sign. Now when you take the LCM here, under 3 will be the LCM. So under 3 multiply with under 3 will become minus 3 plus 1 upon, here 1 plus 1 is 2 √3. Now minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2 upon 2 √3. Here 2 cancel with 2. So we are left with 1 upon √3. Because of mod it will become positive. Now tan theta is equal to 1 upon √3. Also tan 30 degree is 1 upon √3. So in place of it put tan 30. So from here theta is equal to 30 degree. In this way we can find the angle between the two lines. Students, I hope you got the topic now. Before starting the works given in your book, go through the links guided in the SNAP homework. It will help you in the better understanding of the topic. Rest we will continue in our next class. Thank you.